Good morning everybody and welcome to the video about the Mokka. So today we are doing a turbo pipe. This one here on the top, it's split halfway down, so it's given like low boost pressure, etc. So we're going to be replacing the whole pipe. I'm going to show you it in a bit more detail in a minute. I had to get the original pipe from Vauxhall itself. The only pipe I actually needed to get was this section here, but it comes complete with the whole thing. So what I was going to show you mainly in this video was this section here. So if you are struggling, if you've been struggling with this top pipe, and the reason why you're watching this video is you're like, how do I disconnect this pipe here? Obviously I've done it now. What you need to do is this section here, once it's on the car, there you go, it's locked back into place now. You can't get that out at all. What you need to do is get a screwdriver and just turn this grey clip to the side, okay? I'll try and do it whilst holding the phone. Turn that to the side and then it pops straight off like that. So to remove, when you put it on, you can just push the pipe on with a new pipe. But when you need to get this pipe off to replace it for whatever reason, or get into the throttle body, etc., to remove this pipe, you have to spin the grey part of the clip, grey bit here, spin it to the left, anti-clockwise, and then it pops straight off. Okay, so there we go. Hope you found the video helpful. It's a little bits like that. And the reason why I knew about that was because I phoned a mate of mine who works for Vauxhall and said, how do I get this pipe off? And he said, to spin it to the left. So there we go. I'll pass on that knowledge to you. Hope you like the video. Catch you on the next one.